Hello, good day everybody. So here is another exciting class for the remaining chapter fields part number 2. So let's start recording the transactions for chapter fields part number 2. First thing what we want to do is we want to go to our course, and in that course once you go in week number 7 or week number 8 you're able to see the week number 7 chapter fields part number 2. Click on it and you are able to see chapter fields part number 2. Click on it again, and then you are able to download this file. So here, don't worry about it. Refuse to connect. You click on the uh, blue writing right here, chapter fields part number 2. Click on it, and that will take you right into the download file. So in here it says could not preview. Don't worry about it. You have a download button on the right hand side. Click on it. You click on the download button, it will go under downloads where your file would be downloaded. So it comes right here. You have two options, either click here and show in folder or go directly into your downloads folders. So once you click on download folder, you're able to see a download folder, chapter fields, part number 2 zip that is become available to you. It's already been downloaded. Now it has a zip on it. If you double click on it, you can go inside the file, which I don't want you to go. We have to unzip this file folder first. How to unzip, guys? Right click on it, extract all, and it will tell you where do you want to extract all. So this is in a Windows 10. If you have lesser this window or other window, then you will able to see books instead of a zip. So that's fine too. You right click on it and it will ask you extract files or extract here. So once you click on extract files or extract here, it will tell you where extract, and that will extract all the files that open up your file, and you will able to see an open folder. So give it a second. It will open up all the files, 486 files. And then you are able to see two different folders. One is with the zip and one is without the zip. Guys, if you are doing with the zip, you are not able to work on those files. Don't make this mistake. Do work on the folder which do not have a zip, means that you have that folder which opens now. So double click on it, double click on it, double click on it, and you have Sage Part 2. So in here, this is your file and this is a folder. So double click on the file. So you are going to work on fields number 2, part number 2. It will open up in a Sage folder, in a Sage software, and it will be the system is preparing a file for you, and it will ask you the session date. So what is that information, guys? I am reading all that information. I'm going to show it to you where I'm going to read all that information. I'm going to read all that information from here, which is available to you in your Sage, in your week number 7 folder. So week number 7 folder, here's the file. This is the file, guys, which when you open it, it will look like something this. It says in here, advanced session date to May 14th. So let's take a look. In here, you already have May 14th. Press OK. That will open up my database folder. So now this is my database. This is my data file, which is called grown fields. So now we are going to do part number 2, which is from question number 13 onwards. So let's take a look. Question number 13 and onwards. So we are going to read the question. It says recalling a stored entry, means recall. We already made this entry. We want to recall it and adjust it. So let's take a look. Purchase invoice number CS-2100 dated May the 8th, 2019 from Crop Savers 640 for soil testing and follow-up fertilizers treatment plus 96 HST. Invoice total 736, terms is 110 and 30, recall stored entry. When there's a term, guys, what is the meaning of term? That the answer is pay later, right? So we're going to do, now we did the question, we are going to record the question. How to record? Click on purchase invoice icon. Okay, let's do it. Click on purchase invoice icon. I click on purchase invoice icon, and it will tell you next one, click the recall tool. Where's the recall tool, guys? Click, go one by one and see which one. So once you click right here, once you bring your mouse, it will tell you what is my name. It will tell you what is the name. It will tell you what is the name. So name is recall, like recall it. And which entry, the name of the company is called, and in the question, crop savers. Press select. The entry automatically comes on, right? So now we are going to adjust it. What is the first thing? Pay later. So it is a term, so it is pay later. Invoice number is given to us in the question. What is the invoice number? CS-2100. Punch it in. What is the date? May 8th. No need to change. What else? Soil testing, and nothing to change in here, guys. Nothing to change in here. Soil testing would remain the same. $96 remain the same. Everything remains the same, guys. Nothing to change except your invoice number and your only the invoice number and recall entry. We are done with this entry. Perfect. No problem. We are going to take a look at the report first. Take a look. Both sides balancing. Yes, both sides balancing. My question is done. Post it. Okay. Question done. Close that window. Go back to your main window. Next one. Next question. Next question. What is the next question? Editing supplier information. So we have a supplier. We want to edit the information of the supplier. Now let's read the question. Question has been solved. So let's read the question. Memo number 14, May the 9th, 2019, from owner, edit the supplier record for NS Gas to include a default expense account, create a new group account 5170 heating expense. Perfect, no problem. So we're going to record this information now in here. Now supplier, go under suppliers, or you're able to see suppliers here as well. So supplier name, which one? NS Gas. Click on it, NS Gas. And then we are going to edit the information about this supplier. What is the information to edit, guys? Okay, so it says default expense account. Okay, so where is that? Address, nothing to change in here. No, we have to make some changes. What are the changes? Supplier sends, date is given to us May 9th. So we put May 9th. Then go options, expense account. What is the expense account, guys? Given to us 5170. Look for 5170. 5170 is not there, so that means we have to make it. So no problem, 5170. What's the name of the expense account? Heating expenses. I write heating expenses. Press tab. So it will tell you the account does not exist. Do you want to create it? Answer is yes. We want to add it. Why? Because it says in there, create a new group account. Add 5170. Click on next until you will see the word finish. So you see the word finish automatically comes here. Perfect. Done. Right? No, one more thing in here, taxes, direct deposit, statistics, memo. Memo is given to us, so memo number 14. Perfect. Save and close. We are done with this question number 14. Question number 14 done, guys, right? Next one is question number 15. Let's take a look. Question number 15. So in here, cash purchase invoice number NSG-559932, May the 9th, from NS Gas 200 plus $30 HST for monthly supply of natural gas on equal billing method. Invoice total 230, paid in full by check number 177. Because equal billing applies, store as monthly recurring entry. Perfect. Simple is easy, right? NS Gas, we just created this account. Edit this account. Now we are going to create a purchase invoice. No problem. Let's record it. So go in here, purchase invoice. Now, how are we paying? We are paying with the help of a check. So check number 177. Change it. Then invoice number. Do we have the invoice number? Yes. NSG dash 559932. Then May the 9th. Date change, May the 9th. Perfect. Then supplier, NS Gas. Perfect. Okay. Item description. What is an item description, guys? Monthly supply of natural gas on equal billing method. So from the question, I have written that. Is it per piece? No, it's not. Then how much is the amount? $200. HST automatically been calculated, right? And then account comes on. Now let's check it. 200 plus $30 HST, 230 according to the question. Yes, it is. 177 check. Yes, only one thing, which is the last line, store as monthly recurring entry. Okay, so monthly recurring entry where is right here, store as recurring. I click on it, it's monthly, so it's fine. Do not need to change it. Press OK, and then report. Take a look at both sides. Both sides balancing. Yes, they are. Perfect. And then post it. It says the check number you need. The answer is yes. The transaction was posted successfully. Perfect. Question number 15 done. Close this window. Go back to your main window. Next one, next question number 16. So question number 16 is saying adjusting a posted payment. Okay, so a payment is already been posted. We are going to adjust it, right? So this is how we understand the question. Now, what is the question? Memo number 15, date is May 9, 2019. From owner, adjust check number 171 to data savers. The numbers were transposed. The correct check amount was 870 in partial payment of invoice DS-361. Perfect, guys. So in here, we need to adjust. What happens? We put 780, the right amount is 870. So let's go and look for that invoice. Okay, so let's start working on it. We go under payments and pay purchase invoice. So remember, this invoice has already been made. What invoice, guys? Let's take a look. The invoice number which we are looking for is, first thing first, are we paying with check? The answer is yes. What is the check? Check number is, it will automatically comes on. We are going to take a look at the first one is called data saver. So we need to find the data savers. Data savers comes right up here. Which invoice number are we looking for? We are looking for 361. Nope, 1 second. Okay, yes, sorry about that. We have to go under payments, and instead of pay purchase invoice, we have to do adjustment, guys. Why? Because it says adjusted a posted payment. Adjust payment, then press OK. Which invoice number we are looking for? We are looking for data savers. Double click on data savers. It will comes right here, and you are able to see in front of you the whole invoice. The check number 171. Date is May 9th, which you're going to change according to your question. And then 361, yes, the 361 amount is $780. It says transported means, transport means exchange the numbers. Instead of 7, it becomes 8. So 780 is wrong. 870, guys. So this is what is called transport. And then we need to put under comment, we need to put a right information. What is under comment, guys? Always remember, comments are very important. Previous check amount incorrectly entered. Incorrectly entered. Right? So done, guys. Question number 15 done. 16 done. So now we are going to take a look at the report. Display pay journal entry, both sides balancing. Yes. Now we are ready to post it. So click on post. It says the check number out of sequence. Would you like to use it? Yes, we like to. In here, what does it say? Check number. Let's check one more time. 171. So would you like to use the next available check? No. So answer is no, and posted successfully. Close this window, go back to your main window. Question number 16 done. Question number 17. So let's do question number 16 done. Question number 17. Now, cash purchase invoice number NSH-45321, date May 9th from NS Hydro 240 plus 36 HSD for 1 month of hydro service. Invoice total 276 paid in full by check number 178. No problem, easy peasy, let's do it. So purchase invoice, right? How are we paying? We are paying with the help of a check, no problem. What's the check number? 178, yes. What is the invoice number? NSH-45321. What is the date? May 9th. So May 9th, What is the supplier name? Supplier name is NS Hydro, NS Hydro. Then item description, what are we paying? We are paying 1 month height hydro of hydro service. Perfect. Are we paying per piece? No, we are paying amount. How much? 240. HST automatically calculated. Press tab and then total comes to 276. Take a look. 240, 36, 276, right? And invoice number, check number, all good. Yes. Then take a look at the report. Display, both sides balancing. Yes, they are balancing, right? Perfect. Then we are ready to post it. Question number 17, done guys. So we are out of that window and go back to our main window. Now, payment check. Next question, question number 18. Next one, question number 18. Let's take a look at question number 18. Payment check number 179. Date is May 9, 2019 to Crop Savers, $728.64 in payment of account, including $7.36 discount for early payment. Reference invoice number CS1243. That means we already have this invoice, which we have to pay as a payment. How much? This much amount, including this much discount. Let's do it. How? Go to your main window, payments, and now we're looking for check number. No, yeah, check number 179 automatically comes there. Now, what is the date? May 9th. So May 9th. What is the name of the company? Name of the company is Crop Savers. Crop Savers. Two invoices comes. Click on the invoice which you are working on. You are working with CS1243. Click on it. Press tab. So automatically discount comes $7.36. Press tab again. Total comes to $728.64. So if by pressing tab these amounts does not come automatically, punch it in. Okay, then press tab. Then go to the comment section. Please make sure you are not working on the second invoice. So do not put anything in here. So now comment section. Never ever leave the comment section empty. Reference invoice CS-1243. Perfect. So take a look at the report, display payment payments. Yes, both sides balancing. Perfect. And then you can go ahead and post it. The transaction was posted successfully. Done. Close this window. Go back to your main window. Question number 18 done. Question number 19. Let's read question number 19. Cash purchase invoice BC-6100. Date is in May 12, 2019 from Bloomers, $1,280 plus 192 HST for batch of 3 saplings to grow for future sales. Invoice total 1,472 paid in full by check number 180. Simple, no problem. So it's a cash purchase. So that means we have to do a purchase invoice. Click on purchase invoice and let's do it. So first thing is, how are we paying? With the check. Okay, so check number 180, invoice number. What's the invoice number? BC-6110. Then the date, May 12th. Okay, May 12th is the date. Then the bloomers. Bloomers, what is the item? Item, what are we doing? Batch of 3 saplings. Perfect. Okay, and is it for one? No, it is total amount 1,280 plus the HST 192. Total comes to 1,472. So take a look at this side, 1,280. 192 is your HST, 1,472 is your total amount. Perfect. Okay, so we have done our question. Take a look at the report. Display. Yes, both sides balancing. Yes, you are good to go to post it now. I post the transaction. Done. Now go close that window, go back to your main window. Question number 19, done. Question number 20. So question number 20, reversing a posted purchase entry means we already made this purchase entry. We need to reverse it, means there must be a mistake happened. Let's take a look. Memo number 16, question number 20, it's already been solved. So We're going to read it. Memo number 16, date May 12, 19. Cash purchase invoice BC-6110 was entered for an incorrect supplier and account. The purchase was from Better Crop Tree Farms, a new supplier. Reverse the original entry. Yeah, no problem. So how to do it? Look up other payment tool. Okay, so let's do it. Go into email entry, go in here, then recall. Which recall, guys? Which company? No, we are not going to go in here. Okay, so how can we do it? Go purchase invoices. Then in here, you're going to look up an invoice as it says in the question. Look up an invoice. Which invoice we are looking at, guys? Press OK. We are looking for the bloomers. Press select. The bloomer invoice comes right in front of us, right? And then we're going to reverse this invoice. So where is the reverse tool? Number one, it says bring. Number two, daily. Number three, restore, recall, undo, customize, adjust, and reverse. So here is the reverse invoice icon, guys. Click on it. It will ask you, are you sure you want to reverse this invoice? Press yes, and the transaction was reversed successfully. So close this window, go back to your original window. Question number 20 is done. Next one, question number 21. Let's do it. Cash purchase invoice BC 6110, May the 12th, from Better Crop Tree Farms. Use full ad for the new supplier, 1,280 plus 192 HST for 3 samplings. Invoice total 1,472, paid in full by check number 181. Guys, we bought with from a different supplier. So this is the new supplier, guys. And where is the information of new supplier? It's right in this corner. All the information right in here. So we need to add this supplier first in order to make a transaction with this supplier. So let's do it. Go back to your main original window, purchase invoice, and let's do it. So what is the information? How are we paying? With the help of a check. So check number 181. Perfect. And then what is the invoice number? Invoice number is BC-6110. What is the date? May the 12th. Okay, and then what is the supplier? Supplier is not there, guys. Better Crop Tree Farms. I cannot see that, so punch it in. Better Crop Tree Farms. It's not there. Press tab. So once you press tab, in the question it says use full ad for the new supplier. So take a look. Continue, quick add, and full ad. So click on choose full ad, press OK. And that will give you all the information. So with the help of this information, which is on the side, the notes, you are going to punch in all the information in your main window, right? So contact is, who's the contact? Cedar Pines. So Cedar Pines is the contact. Street number 44, Grove Line, RR number 4. Where is it? Is it Halifax? And what's the province? Province is Nova Scotia. What's the postal code? B3Y1E1 according to the question. Country Canada. Phone number is 800 566 7521. Then the website address is bctf.com. Client since May the 12th. Perfect. This window is done, guys. Now go to options. Option, it says the expense account is 1460. Take a look at 1460. Yep, I can see that 1460. Good. And then payment method is should be check. Both sides, this side and this side has to be check. And then term is net 1 day. They have to put the payment for 1 day, right? So this tab is done. Taxes. taxes, guys, do not put yes because they have to pay taxes. So no is good, means they have to pay taxes. Here you have to change it. It says no tax. No, answer is H tax, which is HST at 15%. Now I have done all of this. Yes, now save and close. So all the information comes right here. Now, what was the question? We were buying three samplings. Okay, three saplings. Perfect. How much is amount? Amount is 1,280. 192 is HST. So $1,280, 192 HST, total comes to $1,472. Absolutely fantastic. Check number 181. Everything looks good. Yes. Now go report. Is it happening? Nope. So display purchase. Both sides balancing. Yes, both sides are balancing. Am I good? Yes, I am good to post this entry now. Post it. Is it the check number you haven't entered? The answer is yes. Press OK. And we have posted the entry successfully. Go back to your original window. Question number 21 is done. Let's do question number 22 now. So what is question number 22? Changing a stored entry. Purchase invoice SC 1219, date May the 14th, 2019, from Spotless Company, 1,200 plus $180 HST for 1 month of office cleaning. As per new contract, purchase invoice is $1,380. Term is 110 and 60. Recall the stored transaction, edit the amount, and store the revised transaction as a monthly recurring entry. So guys, this is a recall entry. No problem, easy peasy. So go purchase. Recall. Where is recall? It's right here, guys. Recall. Which entry we are looking for? Spotless Company. Click on it. Press select, and it automatically comes on. So what are my changes? My changes are the total amount. Instead of $180, it has to be, first thing first, payment method. How are we paying? With the help of a pay later. Why? Because the term is given to us. Invoice number is given to us. SC-1219. Date is given to us, May 14th. Then the amount is given to us, 1,200. Then $180. Total comes to $1,380, right? So check these amounts according to your question. Yes. Check the term, 130 and 60. Yes, it is. Recall, stored transaction, and monthly recurring. No problem. Click on it. And is it monthly? No, it's weekly. Change it to monthly. Change it to monthly. Press OK. Now it says yes. All right. Yes. And then you are going to take a look at the report. Both sides are balancing. Yes, both sides are balancing. Now I'm ready to post it. Post. Perfect. So close this window. Go back to your original window. Question number 22 done. Question number 23. Let's take a look. Question number 23. Cash purchase invoice BF-101, May 14, 2019, from Better Foods 95 to purchase food for weekly barbecue for employees. Issue check number 182. Recall stored entry. No problem, guys. Easy peasy. Go in here. Purchase invoice. Recall. So recall this entry. What is the name of this company? Better Foods. Yes. Click select. It automatically comes there. So what are we going to change? First thing first, pay later. Answer is no. Why? Because there is a check number in there. So check number, what is the check number? Check number is 182, automatically comes there. Invoice number, what is the invoice number? BF-101. Perfect. And then May the 14th, yes. Better Foods, yes. Then what did we buy? We bought barbecue weekly. How much? For 95. No taxes. Perfect. 95. Yes. Take a look at the report, guys. Transaction is done. Yes, it is happening. Right. So it's basically true. And then recurring transaction weekly, which is okay. Yes, and then we are ready to post it. Click post. The transaction was posted successfully. Question number 23 done. Close this window. Go back to your main window. The last question, which is question number 24. It is very different than the other one because there is no information given to us as a reading information, guys, and it is not being solved for us. But all the information is given to us in this invoice. When you go buy something from Walmart, from dollar store, from anywhere, this kind of invoice is given to you. As an accountant would be getting this kind of invoice, he has to take the information about this invoice. So I'm going to tell you how to read this kind of invoice. Let's do it. So one by one, this is a purchase invoice. So I click on purchase. Now, first thing, how are we paying? How are we paying for this invoice, guys? Take a look. We are paying net 1 day. Term is net 1 day. So here's the term given to us. So if it is a term, that means the answer should be pay later, right? So pay later, there's no check number. Invoice number is given to us. Where is the invoice number? It's right here, DB-4857. So DB-4857. What is the date given to us, guys? Let's take a look. Date is given to us May 14th. So date is given to us May 14th. No need to change. What is the supplier name, guys? In the question, the supplier name is called Dustbuster. Perfect. So Dustbuster, I click on Dustbuster. Automatically comes everything on screen. Next one, what are we buying? Here's two items written. Repairs to irrigation system. This is one amount. Install additional drip irrigation pipe. This is the second amount, right? So we're going to do it from here. So in here, repairs to irrigation system. How much is that amount, guys? 700. Punch in 700. The account automatically comes on. Second item is called install additional drip irrigation pipe. Perfect. Okay. How much is the amount? 1300. Perfect. Now everything is being calculated 2000, 300, 2300. So if you can take a look at your question, 17, 700, 1300, 300 altogether is 2300, which is given to you right in here, 2300. Let's take a look at one more time. Is it happening weekly? No, it's not. Is it the so it is net term 1 day, nothing to change, guys. Go take a look at the report. I click on the report. Both sides balancing. Yes, both sides balancing. Am I done with the question? I am 100% with the question. Now I can post it. Done. Posted successfully. Now close this window. Go back to your main original window. We have done our questions. So now we are going to send our complete file to our teacher. Why? Because says right here, it's the end or end of our chapter. Now, how? Close this window. It says, do you want to backup? Yes, I want to backup. Press OK. Backup. So what is the name of the backup? Your name, guys. You're going to write your name, then your HID, H1008974553. Then your class ID, GB2S1, GB2S2, 2S3, 2S4, 2S4, whatever your class ID is, and then fields, whatever you are doing, fields part number 2, right? Press OK. It will tell you that this is not exist. Do you want to create it? Press yes. It will process and it will take a minute to back up your data, whatever you uh, completed. It will tell you verifying last backup and it will give you a message backup complete. Press OK. This will close down your database of Sage. Now your database is closed. Now where can we find this file? Go in downloads. Go in downloads. Remember, we gone in downloads where we open file, double click on it, double click on it, double click on it. And once we start it, we have only 2 items. Now we have 3 items. One is called backup. Double click on backup. And here you have the backup file with your name, with your HID, with your class ID. Make sure this is a CAB file right now. So you cannot attach this file with your email. How are you going to do it? You're going to click on this, go on view, make sure this file name extension is on. So this is how you will able to see it's off. You are going to turn it on. Once you turn it on, click on it again. Don't worry to open it. Click on it again, right click, rename. Once you click on rename, the cab name should change to DOCX. So guys, you have to change the name to DOCX. Press enter and it will ask you a message. If you change a file extension, you want to change it? Yes, I want to change it. Now, this becomes Microsoft Word document. Now you can attach with any email you like. So now I can go to my email. Let's go to my email. I am an email, compose, brand new email. I'm going to attach that file. Where is that file? Click on the clip here, go on downloads, go in downloads and the open folder, guys. Click on it, click on it, click on it, backup, and here's your backup, Tariq Khan and HID. So this is your file. Click on it and it's open. It comes right here. While it is attaching, you can submit all, you can write all your information, student name, HID, class ID, and phone number. Right? And here, what is the file, which file you're doing? Fields part number 2. And my email address, guys, assignment.tariq@canadahenson.com. So in the meantime, while you're filling all this information, your file is being attached, right? And it's a Word document. So now you are ready to send the file, all the information. Take a look at one more close eye. All the information is here. Yes, it is. Press the send button. As soon as you press the send button, it will go to your teacher and it will show to me something like this, guys. Take a look. So in here, it will show me Parminder Kaur email comes right in. So there's a file, her name, ID, class ID, and the phone number. Everything comes right in here through, right? So this is how I am going to see all the files in here. So that is what our fields number 2 file. Um, I'm going to upload this, so please take a look, complete your file, and send it to me as soon as possible. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.